NXT Works Solutions for Business Process Transformation. Welcome to our demo of NXT Pro Mentor. If training your teams is time consuming and expensive, or lack of training is leading to higher attrition and operational risk, or your knowledge artifacts need to be modernized and made more engaging, or your business transformation or continuous improvement initiatives are hampered by a lack of understanding of the current state of your business processes, then NXT Pro Mentor is the answer. NXT Pro Mentor helps you create comprehensive process videos captured in real time and generates detailed process representation of business processes. If you provide business process outsourcing or call center services, or involved in transformation or process automation, you will have detailed process information available at a click, accelerating process understanding across your teams. This is done in 4 simple steps. First, capture multiple scenarios of the process in real time using our process capture tool. Second, automatically enrich and annotate the process activities or manually integrate the captured process scenarios into a single video. Third, the videos can be viewed via the player tool, and finally, the file can be uploaded to a web application that acts as a centralized process repository for your teams. Process scenarios are captured in real time in a video format. This includes the capture of actions performed by the process executives across desktop, web, and mainframe applications. Capture also supports multi-monitor setups. Once captured, the process scenarios are automatically cleansed and enriched. Cleansing includes masking confidential data from the video. Multiple scenarios can be integrated into a single unit to build the single composite process video. Finally, the player is used to play composite videos. We will now show some of the features of the player to illustrate the process videos that are created by NXT Pro Mentor. The application consists of 3 display areas. The main video screen shows the process video. The process flow screen area that shows a flow chart of the actions being performed. The annotations in the flow diagrams are populated during the automated cleansing process. Finally, the control panel of the video, which is used to play and navigate through the video at different speeds. As we play through the video, the flow diagram is synchronized with the video, showing the exact action that the process executive has taken during the recording. Another cleansing and enrich feature you will now see is the masking feature, which is used to mask out confidential information on the screen captured during recording. The tool also maps documents in Excel to capture the correct user actions. You will also note that the process steps are captured across different applications platforms, including web-based applications, desktop, and other platforms. Finally, let's see how individual scenarios can be played back. Captured scenarios can be selected from a list of scenarios. Once selected, the scenario can be played from the start or from the current time of the video. Notice that after selecting the scenario, both the duration of the video and the active path in the flow diagram changes to reflect the scenario flow. The selected scenario can now be viewed. We have shown you some of the features of our NXT Pro Mentor solution. Let's now see how individual process videos can be used to build a comprehensive enterprise-wide web-based process repository, NXT Foresight. With NXT Foresight, users can define the business taxonomy and organize process assets in the repository, allowing for high-level process views with the ability to drill down to details when required. NXT Foresight is also used to define business processes and its components, which are enriched with metrics, application details, and data mappings captured by the recorder. Detailed process view displays this information across the application. NXT Foresight provides additional functionality towards improving and evaluating the business process knowledge of your operations teams. Users can view different levels of process flows, starting from the processes within an organization, showing how these processes are connected to each other, and then drill down into the process itself, showing individual process flows as well as each activity in the process. These process flows are useful to understand how business processes interact with each other as well as other business entities. NXT Foresight also automatically generates a step-by-step process description in the form of a standard operating procedure that documents the standard process design implementation. This includes information about the process, the application, and screen each step is performed on, and finally, detailed information for the step. The SOP can be accessed anytime the process team needs to have this information, ensuring the teams can perform their tasks accurately. All the functionality discussed so far was focused on informing teams about different aspects of the enterprise's business processes. NXT Foresight also helps you to evaluate the process knowledge of your teams through the KMNXT Knowledge Evaluation module. Team members can create quizzes to evaluate teams at different levels of knowledge, like beginner, intermediate, advanced, and expert. Teams can perform these evaluations to demonstrate their understanding of the activities they work on. At the end of the evaluations, team members are certified for their understanding of business processes, providing independent feedback to team managers on their team's operational readiness. This covers the features of our NXT Pro Mentor solution. For a deeper understanding and to uncover more of the benefits of the NXT Pro Mentor solution in your organization, get in touch with us and we will be happy to provide customized demos for your teams. Thank you for your time today.